So you can kind of see the relationship there between the voices on my instrument. Let's start breaking this down a little bit. So if I play the same groove, let's slow it down a little bit. I'm going to play just the kick and just the snare. So if I'm going to forget about these two voices, and now we can start seeing, again with Behind the Beat, we're trying to sort of like analyse rhythm sections and see the relationship. So let's see where I sit with Ben and with Pino's part, just with these two voices.
So you want me to play just as it is, normal, and we're going to strip back the kit. Okay, cool.
I'm going to play it slightly slower though.
A little bit slower, sure.
Really hard. It's really hard to do.
It is weird because, like, as you said, so much of this is energy. So my question is, and this is something that I found when I was learning this song, where, in terms of the hats now and the other textures, where did they fit within that backbeat that we just looked at? What are they doing to that overall backbeat?
So the hi-hats?
Yeah, the hi-hat and the ride and anything else you're playing.
So I'd say that is kind of your anchor.
Right.
Okay, so there's a lot of energy coming off that. And that's the constant, right? So that's the thing that's moving constantly all the way through that phrase. This is the stuff that's changing.
Right.
So that's your reference point. It's like a train on a track.
Yeah.
So it's continuously going, it doesn't change. This is the stuff that's changing, and this is where a lot of the kind of interesting parts and the musicality comes from. That's your constant.